How to dispute a credit charge on Capital One Bank. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to capitalone.com. On this web page, you want to click on the sign in option, then enter your username. Now enter your password and click on the sign in option. Once you click on this option and you are logged into your Capital One online account, you want to identify the charge you want to dispute. Make sure you have all the necessary details about the transaction such as date, amount, and merchant information. Now, in order to dispute the transaction using the Capital One online account, you want to navigate to the transaction you want to dispute. Look for the option to dispute the charge directly from the transaction details, or you can also call the Capital One customer service number, which is located at the back of your credit card. Follow the prompts to speak with the representative. Inform them that you'd like to dispute a charge. You can also initiate dispute by sending a letter to Capital One's billing inquiries address. Include your name, account number, and description of the disputed charge and any supporting documentation. When you initiate the dispute, be prepared to provide specific details about the transaction you are disputing. This may include the date, amount, merchant name, and brief explanation of why you are disputing the charge. If you have any supporting documentation that can help substantiate your dispute, such as receipt, emails, or screenshot, you want to provide them that as well. After initiating the dispute, Capital One will investigate the charge. They may temporarily credit your account for disputed amount while they investigate. Make sure to follow up with Capital One as needed to check to the status of your dispute and provide any additional information. Once the investigation has been completed, they will inform you of the outcome. If the charge is found to be in error, they will remove it from your account. If the charge is deemed valid, they will explain the reason for the decision. It is important to initiate the dispute as soon as possible after identifying the unauthorized or erroneous charge to ensure timely resolution. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.